All right, guys, let's talk about the American Silver Eagle and what you should do once the spot price settles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Britches. And in today's video, guys, I want to tell you about the importance of stacking the American Silver Eagle. And as of today, it's March 21st, 2020. The spot price is still in the 12s, but the American Silver Eagles are still selling for 25 and up. So you can't really get a good deal on them. I'm sorry. I can't find a good deal on them. I've looked everywhere. I've scoured the internet looking for a great deal, and it's hard just to find them, at 21 per ounce. I was able to contact my LCS. I did get in contact with him, and I do have an appointment set up, so I am thrilled about that. So I'm looking forward to making that purchase here in the coming week. So stay tuned for that. I will have that upcoming. But let's talk about the American Silver Eagle. And once the price settles, guys, is when you want to jump in, okay? And let me give you an example of where you should be as far as what the spot price settles. Okay, let's say it just settles probably in that $14, $15 range, like hopefully it can. And like this roll right here, I picked up this roll last year in May of 2019. It's a roll of 20 American Silver Eagles, and I picked that up for $340. That was a great deal. That was right on par for the current spot price. It was $2 and some change per ounce over spot. So that's a good deal on Silver Eagles. That's what you want to pay. You don't want to pay $12, $14, $15 over spot price for Eagles like a lot of people are doing. So stop it. You're ruining it for the rest of us. So stop it, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to hold off. You want to hold off and you want to wait for the bullion dealers to adjust their business model to what's going on right now, okay? So just sit tight, stack some cash, or you can scour the internet like I have been scouring and just keep pulling your hair out looking for deals. But I was able to find another deal on some junk silver, which is the other foundation of my stack is junk silver. I got to get more of it, guys. I really do. So I was able to secure $44 face value of junk silver. So I will have that video coming up here shortly. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into the American Silver Eagle, guys. And let me explain to you what may be happening a little bit. Now, every year I live on the coast, so every year we typically get a scare or two from the hurricanes. And what happens is everybody gets freaked out. Everybody panics, kind of like what's happening now. And people along the coast, we just stack up, right? We stack up on gas, groceries, everything. So I'm used to what's going on, you know what I mean? But the nation is not. And what you are seeing is a nationwide panic on consumables. And you are seeing a nationwide panic on silver because the spot price dropped dramatically. And it's pretty much the same thing, right? Everybody is freaking out. They're buying groceries, they're buying gas, they're buying silver, they're buying everything. So the supply and demand is going to raise the prices across the board. That's just the way it is. That's just business, guys. I don't like it. I don't care for it. It's something I deal with every year pretty much. But it's what it is. I mean, if you live in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, you know the deal. You know what I'm saying. You know how it is. The first thing to go is gas. It is. The first thing to go in a hurricane season is gas. And what happens? We don't get enough shipments of gas in, right? Because everybody's filling up their cars. So gas stations are running out. So what happens? The prices shoot up. They shoot up more than the national average. So the consumer, us, has to pay for those. And then you also have those certain individual gas stations that charge extra. They gouge us. So some of that is probably happening right now as well. And I'm not going to name names. I'm just telling you that's what's happening. And I really do expect silver to jump up here in a little bit. And just because of the demand. And there's actually a lot of miners that are, shutting down. They're not going to mine at these prices because guess what? They have a business model too. So demand is going up. Supply is going down. And guess what, guys? That is going to drive up the cost. It's going to drive up the cost to us. So what are you going to do? It's best to wait this out. It really is. Unless you want to get in on some junk silver, some generics, but even those premiums are extremely high. But what you want to definitely do is wait for everything to calm down, to settle, right? And then once everything settles down, guys, that's when you pounce. That's when you get in on the Eagles like you see in front of you. Fortunately for me, I have been stacking Eagles as much as possible. I know it's kind of boring to do videos, YouTube videos on the same things, because I don't do videos just to review certain things. I do it because I'm trying to educate myself on stacking the correct way, right? Adding more weight to your stack, adding liquidity to your stack. And if we have learned anything over the past week and a half, 2 weeks, we have learned that the American Silver Eagle is definitely the way to go. And people are hoarding them left and right. So once the prices do settle, guys, load up on the American Silver Eagles, guys. It's going to pay off for you. Trust me. We can see it all playing out right in front of our eyes. $25, $26 an ounce for a Silver Eagle. When just last week or 2 weeks ago, I was paying $20 an ounce. So that's a $5 premium on what spot price was for $18. And it's at $12 right now. And I know the paper markets is what's causing the silver to drop down. But I really think if you want to get spot deals, that's the only way to go, to be honest with you, is to buy the paper stocks. And I know a lot of silver stackers don't believe in that. They believe in if you don't own it, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. And I agree. But if you can take some profit, take it. Because I don't see how silver can just keep going lower like a lot of people are predicting, because of the fact that the supply is diminishing in real time. Because of the miners, they're not going to be working. The bullion dealers are screaming for more product so that they can sell it to us. So I really do see silver shooting up here in the coming months. So just be ready, guys. Once the spot price stabilizes and some bullion dealers can take advantage of some panic sellers, be ready to pounce, man. Just keep refreshing that page every chance you get. Maybe they'll throw us a bone. And then go from there, man. But if you can, guys, definitely get in on some Eagles, man. They are there's a reason why they're the #1 bullion coin in the world. Okay, it's recognizable. Everybody wants them, as we all know, and everybody is after them. It's just the way to go. And the premiums, they are holding tight, man. They are holding tight. So be on the lookout, guys. Check the deals online daily if you can, man. I mean, you never know when these guys are going to get them in stock, because I guarantee you people are sending them their stock panic selling. So be on the lookout for the deals. They are going to present themselves. It just may take a couple months. So I'm going to leave it right there for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, keep grinding on your stack.